Hello everyone. First of all, let's see what we have learned in the last video. In the last video, we have seen about high availability. What is high availability? The period of time service is available to the customers. Then what is downtime? Downtime means the period of time the service is not available to the customers. Then we have also seen about redundancy. Redundancy means having same application on different servers. Then what is monitoring? Monitoring means load balancer will do health checks of applications. Then what is failover? Failover means if one server goes down, another server will take request which was sent by load balance. Now, in today's video, we will see about regions and availability zone. In simple words, we will understand what is region and what is availability zone. From the certification point of view and also interview point of view, this topic is most important. We can see it is a simple topic or the interviewer can ask more questions on this. Okay, so now let's understand what is region and availability zone. Now we will see that we know that AWS has global infrastructure. It means AWS is providing its services across the world. If AWS has global infrastructure, it means whatever the services AWS has, it is providing across the world. Just we are now giving the technical words to this. Okay, like for AWS has services across the world, for that we are using like global infrastructure. Okay, now let's assume that Mumbai is a region. So can we say that Mumbai is geographical area? Okay, in here also geographical area means nothing but region. Okay, then what is region? Region means geographical area. Region means geographical area. Okay, example AWS region is equals to Mumbai. Okay, AWS for us nearby region is Mumbai, so we are taking example of Mumbai. There are multiple regions, but for us nearby region is Mumbai, so we are considered as an example of Mumbai. So AWS region is equals to Mumbai, we can say that, right? AWS region is equals to Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai is a geographical area. Geographical area nothing but region. Okay, then AWS region can be Mumbai. Okay, there are plenty of regions like I will tell you. There are around 33 regions AWS has. Okay, AWS has around 33 regions. Like one of them is Mumbai. There are around 33 regions. AWS has around 33 regions. Then how we can define technically AWS region? Let's see. Region means, as an interview point of view, how we can define technically region. Region means it is a place where AWS has its infrastructure. Okay, it is a place where AWS has its infrastructure. Infrastructure. Okay, region means AWS, it is a place where AWS has its infrastructure. Okay, now what does region contains? Region contains data center. Okay, in region it contains data center. Let's assume Mumbai is a region. Okay, and it has a multiple data center. Why multiple data centers region contains? Because for example, if one data center crashes, another data center should be there to for backup. That's why region contains multiple data centers. Now region has multiple data centers. This data center is nothing but availability zones. Okay, region contains multiple data centers. Region contains multiple data centers, and this data center is nothing but availability zone. Data center is nothing but availability zone. In short form, I will write AZ. Okay, now region contains multiple data center. Then can I say that region contains multiple availability zones? Because data center is nothing but availability zones, so I can say that region contains multiple availability zones. Region contains multiple availability zone. Okay. Now, what the server calls in AWS? Server call in AWS instances. We For servers there is a technical word in AWS. It is nothing but instances. We will use these instances like EC2 instances we are going to launch. This instances is nothing but servers. Instances. Servers is equals to instances. Okay. Now, where are servers launched in availability zones? Servers or instances are placed in availability zones. Okay, this servers is nothing but the instances. Where are these instances are placed? These instances are placed in the availability zone. Every region will have its code. Okay, now the most important is when we will see the practicals. In practicals in the AWS management console bar, we will see the different code. For example, if you launch, if you select the Mumbai region, for Mumbai region there will be the specific code. So for Mumbai the code is AP-South-A. Okay. Now for Mumbai region the code is AP-South-A. Now as I told you that regions contains multiple availability zones. Okay, in Mumbai regions there are 3 availability zones. For 3 availability zones there will be the 3 codes. What are those 3 codes? Now for Mumbai region there are 3 availability zones, and for these 3 availability zones there are 3 codes like AP-South-1A. This is one code. Another code will be AP-South-1B. Then what is third code? Third code is AP-South-1C. Okay. Mumbai is one region. For that one specific region, there is one code, that is AP-South-1. In Mumbai region, there are multiple availability zones. There are 3 availability zones in Mumbai region. So there are 3 codes in for availability zones: AP-South-1A, AP-South-1B, and AP-South-1C. Okay. Now these regions and availability zones are managed by AWS. Okay. If there is any crash, whatever happens, it will be managed by AWS only. Okay. Then region and availability zones are managed by AWS only. Now let's assume that in our house each bedroom is interconnected with each other. If you have a house, in that house each bedroom is interconnected with each other. Okay, we can say that our house is region. In that region our bedrooms can be availability zones. These availability zones are interconnected with each other. So I can go from, in my house I can go from one bedroom to the another bedroom, like my one bedroom can be communicate with another bedroom. Similarly here also availability zones can communicate with each other. Okay, each availability zone is a specific region is interconnected with each other, so availability zones can communicate with each other. But here regions cannot communicate with each other by default, but if require, yes. Okay, now for example, my house is one specific region. For another person his house will be his specific region, so we cannot communicate with each other. So regions cannot communicate with each other by default, but if require, yes. Okay, so now we have seen technically what is region. Region, it is a place where AWS has its infrastructure. Then technically what is availability zone? Availability zone means it is an isolated section within each region. Okay, it is a isolated section within each region. Okay, if interviewer asks us what is region, it is a place where AWS has its infrastructure. If interviewer asks what is availability zone means it is an isolated section within each region. Each region will have multiple availability zones. That's it. So in simple words, region and availability zones, we have to know about it. So in next topic, we will see about basics of virtual private cloud, why there is a need of VPC in AWS. So while the as practicals will start, we will create this VPC, EC2 instances, everything practically. So for now, we are understanding theoretically these concepts only.